I don't know where to plant these flowers permanently, so because we're going into winter, I'm just going to transplant them into bigger pots and then store them in a place that they can survive the winter. This is beard tongue, firefly sunshine yarrow, red blanket, sentimental blue balloon flower. Do not be afraid to scratch the roots. I'm using commercial garden soil, and I'm not going to use any fertilizer. My soil level will be the same as when I bought them. I'm pressing the soil. I've done the other two, and I'm just going to finish this one. The next thing I'm going to do is mulch them. I've done mulching the plants, so the next thing to do is I dug a big hole in my garden bed, so I'm going to bury the pots. The purpose of this so that the soil in the garden bed can protect the plants from the winter season. In other words, the soil would serve as an insulation